Hi, this is Mike Wallach with TriMech. In my last video, I showed you how SOLIDWORKS 2025 now gives us the new ability to create models in the Z-axis up orientation instead of the usual Y-axis up, which is the default for SOLIDWORKS. Many other applications use the Z-up orientation, so I think this is an ability that's going to help a lot of people. But there is a limitation, and that is only the default part and assembly template that are installed with SOLIDWORKS allow us the Z-up option. If we go to any of our pre-existing templates, that option is just not there. They're going to be Y-up. So what I'm going to do is start a new part with the Z-up orientation. And this blank new part file has whatever the document settings are from that default template. So I'm going to go over here to Options, Document Properties, and make whatever changes I need to make. So I'm going to change to ANSI standards, and I'm going to change to inches, 3 decimal places of accuracy, and I'm going to change my image quality to 10%, keep file size low and performance high. Now that I have my settings the way I want them, I'm going to create a new template from this part file. So I'm going to go to Save As and change my file type from SOLIDWORKS Part to Part Templates down here near the bottom of the list. Now, I have a 2025 folder prepared for new templates. So I'm going to call this one Part Inch Z-up. Now let's test it by creating a new part using that template. So I'll go to the New Document window and the 2025 tab, and the new template is here, and here you can see Z-up is selected but grayed out. So with this template, we don't get a choice. It's always going to be Z-up. I hope you found that useful, and have a good day.